Long-term disability insurance is a type of insurance coverage that is intended to protect you financially if you become disabled for a prolonged period of time prior to retirement. Lengthy absences from work can be financially devastating, and this coverage is meant to lessen your unexpected financial burden. Many employers offer long-term disability coverage as part of their standard benefits packages. Like short-term disability, long-term disability coverage allows you to continue receiving pay while away from work. You will generally receive a fixed weekly amount or a set percentage of your former income. Long-term disability coverage usually takes effect when short-term disability runs out. It may be limited, lasting between 2 and 10 years, but some plans continue paying out until age 65. Long-term disability coverage is important for many reasons. Most employees assume that a disability will not happen to them, but in reality, nearly 1/3 of employees will miss more than 1 month of work due to an injury or illness. When this happens, your source of income is eliminated, while your medical expenses are likely increasing substantially. Don't let an unexpected injury or illness get the best of you. Investing in long-term disability insurance provides protection against the unexpected. Speak with your employer if you would like to learn more about long-term disability insurance.